Hello, welcome to Esther Teach Me channel. Today we are going to talk about days of the week and then Dayborns in Akan. Days of the week in Akan. There are 7 days in a week. Among the Akans, Sunday begins the week because they have a belief that God started creating the world on a Sunday. In today's lesson, we are going to look at how days of the week are said in the Akan language. Days of the week in Akan is Nawatwi. Kindly repeat after me. Nawatwi. Very good. We shall also look at how the Akans name their children after the days of the week. Let's begin with the days of the week. Sunday, Kwesida or Kwesiada. Monday, Joda or Ejuada. Tuesday, Benada or Ebenada. Wednesday, Ukuda or Ukiada. Thursday, Yawoda or Yawada. Friday, Fida or Ifiada. Saturday, Memenenda is the same as Memenenda. Wow, very good. Hope you got them right. Now let's look at weekdays corresponding with their Dayborns. Akan female names. They are, when a female is born on a Sunday, she is called Akosia. Repeat after me. Akosia. Monday, Ajwa. Let's repeat. Ajwa. Tuesday, Abna. Again, Abna. Wednesday, Equia. Thursday, Ya. Friday, Ifia. And then Saturday, Ama. Wow, hope you got everything right. Now, let's look at Akan male names. They are, if a boy is born on a Sunday, he is called Kwesi. If a boy is born on a Monday, he is called Kwejo. And again, if a boy is born on a Tuesday, he is called Kwabena. Hope you are repeating them. Very good. Let's continue. Wednesday, Kweku. Thursday, Yao. Friday, Kofi. Saturday, Kwame. Wow. Thank you for your time. See you in the next lesson. As I always say, they are never difficult. It's a matter of going over and going over again. Subscribe to Esther Teach Me channel for more videos. Bye for now.